Ensonga y'amabaati g'e Karamoja agaabulankanyizibwa ekyali ku mimwa gy'abangi nga n'olunaku lw'eggulo yabadde ku mwanjo mubaka w'okusaala Eid el-Fitri. N'olwaleero mu kukungubagira abadde omuwandiisi w'enkalakkalira mu ofiisi ya ssaabaminisita Muhakanizi, ensonga eno teyeebulizaayo. Akulira abakozi mu gavumenti ate nga yemuwandiisi w'olukiiko lw'abaminisita Lucy Nakyobe abotodde ebyama omugenzi bye yamugamba ku by'amabaati. Nakyobe ategeeza nti Muhakanizi yali amubuuliddeko nga baminisita bwe bali batandise okwemakulira ku bitabakwatako.
Some of you may be wondering, then how did the iron sheet circus came up? Then he told me one thing. I've been quarreling with them in today's top management. The ministers are everywhere. They are in stores, they are in procurement, they are in accounts, they are in HR, they are everywhere. So, what do? I've come here to report myself, because if you hear anything, you know that I've disagreed with the ministers today. And he said, I've warned them, these stores are going to cause them problems.
Waayitawo mbale, Muhakanizi bwe yali atwaliddwa okujjanjabibwa, yayogerako naye era n'amutegeeza ku bye baali boogeddeko nga bwe byali bitandise okweyoleka.
He called me and told me, didn't I predict so? I said, yeah, you predicted. I told him, Keith, this thing is making government become uglier.
Kyokka nti Muhakanizi yamutegeeza nti bw'anaaba akomyewo walina okubaawo enkyukakyuka ezikolebwa mu ofiisi ya ssaabaminisita.
He didn't miss his words. He just told me back, I want those ministers, let them take responsibility. I've already written my statement. When I come back, we shall discuss the way forward. But I propose for now, we need to restructure the office of the Prime Minister. I told him, indeed, that's true, because a number of scandals have been happening at that office. So we therefore agreed that when he comes back, he should write a cabinet memo proposing this restructuring of this office.
Nakyobe asabye omukulembeze w'eggwanga nti omuntu agenda okudda mu kifo kya Muhakanizi alina okuba nga teyeerya ntama nga Muhakanizi bw'abadde.
Keith was not afraid to confront wrongdoing and to speak hard truth. Your Excellency, the person you will appoint next will follow up this. And I pray that you do appoint somebody with courage like Keith, because this office has a lot of challenges. And if you appoint a soft person, we shall continue with these challenges.
Wetwogerera nga baminisita basatu be baakasimbibwa mu mbuga z'amateeka ku nsonga z'amabaati. Jingo Francis, NTV ku ssaawa emu.